Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to set flow as welcome message Manychat. So first, just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here on the left side of the screen. And after that, just simply go to one of your channel that you want to make a welcome message. So let's say I'm gonna go for Messenger. And now from here, just simply go for the welcome message over here, guys. And now, if you don't have a welcome message yet, you should be able to see here, create new reply or select existing. So it will be depending on you. So let's say I'm going to go for create new reply. And now from here, as you can see, you will have this one. And after that, when users subscribes by clicking the start button in Messenger, you will have this welcome message over here. So you can just simply click on this and you can just simply provide your text over here. And from here, pretty much it will be depending on your personal preferences of what you want to put it here. So let's say I'm going to go for welcome to my channel, and you can add a button as well, which you can have your number over here. You can redirect them to a website, or you can go for the other features as well that you might want to consider over here. And once you are done, just simply click on set live on the top right corner. And after that, you should be able to make it live. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and that's for a while.